Ministry of Health of Ukraine. Krok 2. Medicine. Year 2019, number 004. At the railroad crossing, a passenger train collided with a bus. In this collision, 26 bus passengers died. Another 18 passengers received mechanical injuries of varying severity. Where will be professional medical aid provided for the victims of this accident? Who will provide this aid? A. At the site of the accident, specialized second response emergency teams. B. At the site of the accident, first response emergency teams. C. In medical institutions, all listed types of healthcare workers. D. In medico-prophylactic institutions, general physicians and surgeons. E. In medico-prophylactic institutions, specialized second response emergency teams. When you are injured in a car accident, you should see a doctor as soon as you can. You might feel fine at first, but in the hours and days after the wreck, you might start to feel pain or signs of serious injuries. In some cases, you will even need surgery to repair the damage. Any delay in seeking medical attention can be hazardous to your health. A doctor or other health professional can look for all types of injuries after a car crash. They might order tests like X-rays, a CORT scan, or an MRI. These diagnostic tools identify injuries you might not have expected. The answer is D. In medico-prophylactic institutions, general physicians and surgeons.